Why are people failing in network marketing? Well, in order to answer that question for you, I will ask you a question again, back to you, because lots of people are asking themselves, lots of people are failing in this industry. Well, why are people failing in the profession of being a doctor, in the profession of being a teacher, a police, businessman? There are people who are failing there too. So why specify in network marketing and said no, these business people fail, they don't make money? In every industry in this world, there are failures. It's not about the business, it's about you. If you are a failure in being a teacher, maybe you are good in being a doctor. If you can't be a doctor, you are failing, maybe you should be a lawyer. Because it depends on who you are, what you have, the qualities that you come with into the business. Network marketing requires a different kind of breed. It requires people who are tenacious, people who have energy, people who are willing to take it on, people who are willing to learn, because there's lots of things to learn on the internet. Lots of stuff may be new to you and you have to learn. Nothing in this world is difficult. If there was something that was difficult in this world, then nobody will be doing it. The fact that someone is doing it, then it means it's doable. It may just depend on your mindset, on who you are and what you want. If you want that success, that you want to achieve those goals, then you will achieve them. It doesn't matter whether you are encountering problems in the business that you are in, network marketing or franchise, but if you want it and you have the vision and you are doing what it takes to succeed, you will make it in your business. If you have what it takes and you have positive thoughts, you don't look at negative thoughts and saying no, people are failing, so I'm also gonna fail. Well, sign up below this video, give me your name and an email, and let's connect and prove to yourself that network marketing really works. This is Simphiwe H. Mthethwa signing up. See you on the other side.